Assalamualaikum, my name is Rajesh Shimali and I'm a student at Rehan College, Karachi. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a data talk, use data to build better schools by Andres Schleicher. In his TEDx talk, Andres Schleicher explains that we can't improve what we don't measure. He is the person behind the PISA test, which is globally thing that compares how students in different countries solve problems. Before these tests, many countries thought their schools were doing great simply because they have a lot of money and they spend a lot of money of them. Or they had all traditions. Like uses data to show that many of these ideas are actually wrong. One of the most surprising points he makes is that money is not the only answer. He shows that some countries spend a huge amount of money but still get poor results. Meanwhile, other countries spend less but have better results and smarter students. The data shows that it's not about how much you spend but how you spend it. High performing countries focus on hiring the best teachers and giving them the freedom to teach creativity rather than just buying fancy developers or buildings. He also talks about the talent might. In some places, people believe that you are either born with talent, born smart, or you are not. Schleicher's data shows that in the world's best school systems, like in parts of Asia or Finland, teachers and parents believe that every child can succeed if they work hard. Because they expect more from every student, the students actually perform better. They don't give up on the kids who struggle. They give them extra help instead. So finally, Schleicher argues that modern schools need to change what they teach. In the past, the schools were like factories that asked students to memorize facts. But today we have Google, and by that, facts are easy to find. The data shows that the best schools now teach students how to think for themselves, how to work in teams, and how to apply what they know to the real world problems. Overall, this talk is a wake up call. This talk is a wake up call. It tells us that if we want better schools, we need to stop following our gut feelings and we start looking at the facts. By learning from the countries that are doing things right, we can give every child a better chance at life. Schleicher also points out that the world has changed, but many schools are still stuck in the past. In the old days, the schools were designed like factories to produce workers who could follow instructions and memorize facts. Today, because we have the internet and AI, simply knowing things is not enough. The data shows that the highest performing countries are one that teach students how to think for themselves and how to manage their own learning and how to apply their knowledge to new and unexpected problems. Another key part of this talk is about equity, which means making sure every child gets a fair chance. Fair chance. In many countries, your success in a school depends mostly on how much money your parents have. Harvard Ledger research highlights a resilient system where even the poorest students perform at a very high level. These successful schools don't give up on children from difficult backgrounds. Instead, they send their best teachers to the toughest neighborhoods to make sure those kids get the most support. He highlights that in the most successful systems, the role of teacher has transformed. Instead of just standing at the front of the room and talking, teachers in high-performing schools or countries work together like a team of scientists. They observe each other's classes, share data on what is working, and constantly improve their method. This makes teaching a prestigious and high-level profession, which attracts the smartest people in the country to become educators. Ultimately, Schleicher's message is that a great education system is a choice, not a matter of luck or old culture. By looking at the any country can see what is working elsewhere and adapt those ideas to their own schools. He believes that if we use facts rather than opinions or run our schools, so we can give every single child, no matter where they are born, the tools they need to build a better future for themselves and for the world. So in the end, Schleicher's message is clear. Education should not be based on tradition or gut feeling, but on what actually helps kids to succeed. So if we want a better future, we have to build better schools using the facts we have today. So that was what he told us in his study, Schleicher. So thanks for watching, and let's keep pushing to schools that work for everyone. And let's end my video here, and let's meet in our next video. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.